Hello friends, today we're talking about a small but super smart RV shower upgrade, the Safoner adjustable shower corner storage bar, and how it finally makes those built-in shelves in your RV shower actually useful.
If your RV has one of those fiberglass shower surrounds with the little corner shelves, you know the struggle: shallow shelves, rounded edges, and just enough slope to send your shampoo bottle sliding off mid-shower. The bar attaches with adhesive brackets. No tools, no drilling, no damage to your shower walls. Just clean the surface and stick the bars right on.
Now we can actually use these shelves without bottles tipping out or feeling like everything's balancing on the edge. It works well with full-size shampoo bottles, conditioner bottles, soaps, razors, anything you'd normally keep in the shower. You're not adding shelves, you're just making the ones you already have finally do their job.
The bar itself is lightweight but sturdy, and the adhesive is held up really well with daily use, heat, and moisture.
Here's the quick breakdown. It transforms shallow molded shelves into real storage. It has easy tool-free installation, doesn't take up any additional space, and it has a clean, minimal look.
We love simple upgrades like this, ones that don't add clutter but solve a real RV problem. If you've been ignoring those corner shelves in your shower, this bar is an inexpensive fix that makes a big difference.
Thanks for joining us today. If you're interested in the Safoner RV Shower Corner Storage Bar, we'll leave a link in the description below.